Hey guys, it's me again, Flo. You remember in my follow me to work video where I showed you the nice snacks we stuff our faces with in our offshore facilities? The chef who makes those snacks also makes the best banana bread ever. He kindly gave me the recipe which I tweaked to make it even more decadent. That decadent version is what I'll be sharing with you today, and it's also Nigerianized. You need plain flour, salt, very ripe bananas. As bananas ripen, the sweeter and more pronounced the banana flavor will be. These dots on the bananas are what I use to tell that they have enough banana flavor for banana bread. Butter, eggs. The eggs should be at room temperature. Sugar. With very ripe bananas, you do not need much sugar because we want to let the natural sugar in the ripe bananas shine through. Baking soda and yeast. The baking soda will give it a fluffy texture while the yeast will give it the stretchy feel of bread. Peak evaporated milk. Peak evaporated milk will take it to the decadent level because it is so creamy. And last, the roasted peanuts and cashew nuts. These are ornamental, hence optional, but these two make this banana bread Nigerian. Banana and groundnut combo, anyone? First, warm up the peak milk a little bit. Add the yeast and set that aside. Mix the flour, sugar, salt and baking soda together. Crush the groundnuts and cashew nuts with a roller like this. Melt the butter. Mash the banana either with a fork or with a potato masher till as smooth as possible. Whisk the eggs. Add the bananas, the butter, milk and yeast mixture. Add the dry ingredients and mix. Stir till everything is well combined. Add some of the groundnuts and cashew nuts. I usually add the tiniest pieces. Pour into a bread pan. And sprinkle the remaining groundnuts and cashew nuts on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. This is the banana bread after 40 minutes. Make sure it has finished rising before opening the door of the oven. And here it is after 1 hour. It is done when a wooden skewer inserted into the bread comes out clean. It also springs back when you press it down. Lay it on a rack for about 5 minutes, then lift it out of the pan. Lay it on the rack till it has cooled down completely. Then slice and enjoy. I didn't wait for mine to cool down because I just couldn't hold myself any longer. That's why I call it decadent banana bread, because you will commit a lot of sins while making and eating this bread. You see how moist it is? And did you see how that slice dabbed? Did you? Yum, yum, yum!